Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel CodingXpert. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update macOS SEQUOIA quickly and easily. Whether you are looking to upgrade to the latest macOS version for new features or enhanced security, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done smoothly. Apple recently released macOS SEQUOIA, and if you haven't upgraded yet, now's the perfect time. With exciting new features, performance improvements, and security updates, upgrading your Mac ensures you stay up to date with the latest technology. Let's get started on how to install macOS SEQUOIA. Let's download macOS SEQUOIA. Here's how you can do it. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Select System Settings or System Preferences on older versions. Scroll down and click on Software Update. You should see macOS SEQUOIA listed as the available update. Click Upgrade now. Once the download is complete, follow the prompts to install macOS SEQUOIA. Your Mac will restart several times during this process, and the installation could take anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour, depending on your system. After the installation is complete, your Mac will boot up with the new macOS SEQUOIA interface. You may need to sign in with your Apple ID and go through a few quick setup screens. Once that's done, you are all set to explore the new features of macOS SEQUOIA. That's it, you've successfully updated your Mac to macOS SEQUOIA. Enjoy the new design and features, and make sure to explore the latest enhancements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance, and I'll be happy to help.